Came to us in a shipping pouch, so we'll pull out what we have. The going is good. Nik's Minimalist wallet number 1. That's what we have here from Tom Bihn. And it has a strap over here. Comes in 5 colors. I got black. I don't know why I did that. It's harder to see. Go to the interior. A couple of unique pieces of art, apparently. And how you pack your stuff. You haven't figured it out yet. Oh, boy. Very, very flexible. As you can see, there's no stiffeners in here or anything. Kind of cool. There's no exterior features on this. No quick access slots. We have this elastic strap. This actually keeps everything in play, and so you undo that and it takes you to the interior. In here we have 1 and 2 interior card slots. That's it. I said that's it, but that's kind of might be all you need. 6 to 10 cards completely between it, and you can fold cash in thirds or in quarters depending on your preference, and they do slip in here just fine. That's a quick review of the features. Tom Bihn Nik's Minimalist wallet number 1. Tom Bihn Nik's Minimalist wallet number 1 is the most minimalist of the 4 wallets in the product line, all being made of this kind of fabric. It measures 3.5 by 2.7 by 0.1, and it weighs 12 grams. No surprise there. As you saw, I got 6 cards in there and 2 slips of cash. Minimalist carry 4, reasonable 6. Company does recommend 6 to 10 cards. Honestly, it can do that. And it is built for credit cards in particular. US business card sizes, ironically, do not fit. From a quality perspective, this is designed and made in the United States. The wallet is very limp when first held. As you noticed when I first unpackaged it, when you get cards in here, of course, it provides the rigidity. When you take things out of it, it just crumples up. I think that's fine. There's no need to have any artificial stiffeners. So once you put cards in, it's just fine. Now the company is large enough to produce its own fabric, which is great because they can design it, but it's still small enough to keep it close to the customer. It's made of a 2010 denier 2x2 ballistic nylon, and really all the seams are turned in to the inside. So it reduces bulk and it leaves very nice, clean, seamless look to it. It's priced for $24. From a usability perspective, not much to say except you pull back the elastic and it's like this and you access the wallet. When done, you just close it and put the strap back, and you know that you have good security. All the cards face into the fold, and so they're not going to be falling out. Now you can use one side for cash, one side for cards, whichever you'd like. It's just completely up to you. This is the first and foremost a card wallet, right? It does require you to fold the cash, as I mentioned. And, you know, depending on how you like to organize your cards, this isn't for you as you stack the cards. It is kind of a stack card type wallet. You can see how it goes into the pocket, goes in just fine. It's very small, fits in the palm of your hand. So it fits perfect for either a front or a rear pocket carry. Now the company is a certified B Corporation. I've mentioned those before. It's hard to get there, but it's a wonderful testament to the company and what it likes to do to give back. Now Tom Bihn's main lines are bags, backpacks, and other travel gear, but this wallet is kind of cool. So now on to the final score. For quality of 4, price of 4, pretty nice. Features of 3, what you'd kind of expect from a card wallet. Usability of 4, easy to get to. Perception of 5. They give back and they really do well as an organization to help their people and the community. That gives us a final score of 41 out of 50. Thanks for joining us. It may just look like a card wallet, but man, this is a neat little wallet, so small. Anyway, look at the other wallets that are similar to these. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.